specific. What am I trying to say?
Let's go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm showing you how I went from this to this. And if you want to see how I got these beautiful curls, keep watching the video. So the first thing I'm gonna do is detangle my hair. It would be better if you guys get a brush, but right now I can't find my brush. So I'm just gonna detangle with the comb. So I've just combed out and detangled my hair. All you're gonna need for this video is some oil, hair clips, and a wand curler. My hair is already blow dried right now, so I'm not gonna be blow drying my hair. But if you wanna blow dry your hair, or if it's not already blow dried, go ahead and do that. By the way, the bigger your hair is, the better. So my hair has been blow dried maybe for like 2 or 3 days now, so it's gonna give me that look that I want. Now you just wanna part your hair the way you're gonna wanna wear it. It's not really good at parting my hair, so don't judge me, guys. I'm not a hairstylist, so don't come for me. But I do know how to get this look, period. So this is my part. Now I'm gonna, and also a hair tie. Now I'm just gonna take this side and tie it up. Forgot to plug in my freaking wand. Right. Just gonna keep it on maybe 380. Because I don't need it to be really hot. It's gonna do the job. I'm gonna take some of my oil. About like that much. Gonna run through it with my hands. This is kind of gonna bring like a shine to your finished look. You don't have to be so specific with the parts that you're doing. It's gonna come out really good if you part it with the comb or if you don't. So I just do it with my fingers. So I'm gonna take this piece, I'm gonna wrap it around from the bottom. Oh my God.
Oh, no.
That was horrible. Yeah. And guys, like I said, I'm not the best hairstylist, so it's gonna look crazy. But once you put it all together, child, it's gonna be bomb. I'm gonna redo this piece. Not her. You just want to wrap it around, and I'm probably gonna leave it on there for 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5. Keep going, and keep going, and keep going until I get the look. You want to hold the wand curler where it's in like a downwards position.
That's what he said.
Because that's the way you want your curls to fall. Come on. So I'm taking it and I'm wrapping it. And I'm holding my wand curler down. Boom. Gotta get that kitchen, y'all. Even if it gets one little curl, I'ma do it. I'm just gonna repart everything after I wand curl it because it's hard. It's hard, not a lie. Okay. So since I'm gonna repart it, I'm actually gonna do what's easier for me. So I'm gonna start my wand curling this part right here. And I'm just gonna keep working my way up. Same thing, I'm gonna take my finger, kind of eyeball it. Where is this country accent coming from? So this is the finished look. And I did end up parting it a couple of times because I didn't know what I wanted to do. But I love this look. It's really easy, really simple. And anybody can do this. I did it, so I know that for a fact you can do it. If my video helped you out in any way, leave a like, a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Join the gang. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. You don't have to be specific.